Looking for a cable that does more than just connect your keyboard? Let's talk about the RBFRZGSU Type-C mechanical keyboard coiled cable. At its core, this is a purpose-built accessory for the mechanical keyboard community. It's designed to replace the standard, often boring, straight cable that comes with your keyboard, adding both functionality and a serious dose of style to your desktop setup. The standout feature is right in the name, the coiled design. This isn't just for looks. The spring-like coil provides excellent strain relief and manages slack beautifully, keeping your desk tidy and giving you just the right amount of reach without excess cable clutter. The other major highlight is the aviator connector, usually found in the middle of the cable. This sleek, metallic blue connector isn't just for aesthetics. It allows for quick disconnection and makes cable management or keyboard swapping incredibly easy. In real-world use, this cable feels substantial. The fabric sleeve cables are robust and tangle-resistant, a step up from cheap rubber-coated wires. The gold-plated USB Type-C and USB-A connectors feel secure in their ports, ensuring a reliable connection every time. For the pros, you get great build quality, that signature custom keyboard aesthetic, and practical cable management. The main con is that for some, this is purely a cosmetic upgrade over a basic functioning cable. Compared to a stock cable, there's no performance difference in typing, but the experience and desk presence are worlds apart. A practical tip: ensure your mechanical keyboard uses a Type-C port for connection, as this cable is specifically designed for that. Also, the coil can be quite stiff initially, but it will relax slightly with use. If you're deep into custom keyboards or simply want to elevate your desk's look with a premium functional piece, the RBFRZGSU coiled cable is a fantastic choice. It turns a simple connection into a statement piece. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on keyboard cables in the comments below.